Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a Sudoku app. First, let's understand the objective. Fill a 9x9 grid with digits so that each column, each row, and each of the 9 3x3 subgrids contain all of the digits from 1 to 9. We will cover the essential rules, explore helpful app features like pencil marks and hints, and share some strategies to improve your solving skills. Get ready to enjoy the challenge. The core of Sudoku lies in its simple yet challenging rules. Every single row across the 9x9 grid must contain all digits from 1 to 9, with no repeats. Similarly, each of the 9 columns must also feature every digit from 1 to 9 exactly once. Finally, each of the 9 smaller 3x3 blocks within the larger grid must also contain all digits from 1 to 9 without any duplication. This fundamental principle guides every move you make. Sudoku apps offer fantastic tools to enhance your experience. The pencil mark feature is invaluable. It allows you to jot down potential numbers in a cell, helping you narrow down possibilities without committing. If you make an error, simply tap the undo button to revert your last move. For those tricky moments, hints can provide a gentle nudge. You can also select different difficulty levels from easy to expert to match your skill level and keep the game engaging. To become a Sudoku master, employ smart strategies. Begin by scanning rows, columns, and 3x3 blocks for numbers that are already present, which helps identify missing digits. Look for cells where only one number is possible. These are single candidates and are often easy to fill. Consistent practice is key to improving your speed and logical deduction. Don't be afraid to start with easier puzzles to build a strong foundation before tackling the more complex ones. Enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.